Okay, y'all, back again. When I say complete DIY build, I really do mean that. That means even cabinets were built. I built the cabinets myself in my garage and brought them in, including the countertops. Countertops were also DIY. I made concrete countertops and put this in there along with a heated floor system that I got off of Amazon, of course. And of course, I have background footage of all of that I'm going to upload. So check out the cabinet build and let me know what you guys think. I know I made a ton of mistakes, and trust me, I'm not hating. When people say whatever, especially for the pros, I just take it in because I am a graduate of YouTube University. Yo, what up? I'm touring this cabinet build. Right now, I'm trying to cut up these edges here to help get these little strips that are done. It's all paint. Getting ready to do some more sanding to get it all nice and smooth and get it started. Here we go. At the finished product level, these things look like they came out of Wayfair. Check my soft close action. Even got these over here ready to go. So no more cabinet build updates for you guys. Lucky you. I told you guys I was about to inundate. Anyway, next up, retile the bathroom floor and take out the old cabinets.